Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to learn English in college, updated. Start by creating clear weekly goals for listening, speaking, reading, and writing practice right away. Block regular study sessions in your calendar and treat them like classes. Use short quizzes and recordings to track improvement and celebrate small wins. Stay patient and consistent, and make language practice a social, fun habit with classmates and campus groups. Visit your campus writing center and language lab early and often for steady improvement. Bring real assignments to tutoring sessions and ask for focused feedback on grammar and organization. Join conversation groups to practice speaking without pressure and learn informal phrases. Use office hours with professors to clarify expectations and improve presentations. These resources are practical, free, or low cost, and can speed your progress when used consistently and proactively. Quick recommendation and a small detour. If you are enjoying this content, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. Read The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that changes how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with student budgeting tips. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Practice daily with short, purposeful activities that build fluency and confidence. Do shadowing exercises after listening to a short clip, then read an article aloud and summarize it in your own words. Use apps for vocabulary review and maintain a daily streak to stay motivated. Combine study with campus life by discussing readings with classmates and applying new phrases in real conversations. Consistency beats intensity for long-term improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.